Hey there, science fans. Are you ready to embark on an incredible journey into the microscopic world that exists within us all? Have you ever pictured a city bustling with activity, all inside something as small as a cell? It's fascinating to think about, isn't it? It's true. Cells are like miniature cities, complete with different parts working together in perfect harmony to keep everything running smoothly. We call these parts organelles. Each organelle has a unique role, just like different buildings and services in a city. Just like a city needs a mayor, a post office, and power plants, a cell relies on its organelles to function efficiently. The nucleus acts as the mayor, directing activities, while the mitochondria are the power plants, generating energy. Get ready to explore the amazing world of Cell City. We'll take a closer look at how these tiny structures work together to keep life going. Think of it this way. Each organelle has a specific job to do, and together they keep the cell, and ultimately our entire bodies, running smoothly. The endoplasmic reticulum acts like a factory, producing essential proteins and lipids. It's a team effort, just like in any well-run city. The Golgi apparatus functions like a post office, packaging and distributing molecules throughout the cell. Let's dive in and meet the key players in Cell City. From the lysosomes that clean up waste to the ribosomes that build proteins, each organelle has a vital role to play. First stop, City Hall. In Cell City, the nucleus is the big cheese, the head honcho, the one in charge. Just like a mayor runs the city from their office, the nucleus directs all cell activities from within. It contains the cell's DNA, the genetic blueprint that determines everything about the cell. Think of DNA as the instruction manual for building and running the entire city. The nucleus keeps this manual safe and sound, making copies of instructions as needed. These instructions are sent out of the nucleus to tell the rest of the cell what to do. Pretty important job, right? No city can run without power, and that's where mitochondria come in. These little powerhouses are like the city's power plants, converting energy from food into usable energy for the cell. Imagine them as bustling factories, churning out fuel to keep everything running. This energy, called ATP, is like the electricity that keeps the lights on and the machines humming in Cell City. Without mitochondria, the cell would run out of steam and grind to a halt. We need lots of energy to do all the things we love, like playing, learning, and even just breathing. Now let's talk transportation. Just like a bustling city relies on its roads and highways to keep everything moving smoothly, our cells have their own intricate transportation system. The endoplasmic reticulum, or ER for short, is like Cell City's intricate network of roads and highways. It ensures that materials are transported efficiently within the cell. It's a vast system of interconnected sacs and tubes that crisscross throughout the cell. These pathways are essential for the movement of molecules and the overall functioning of the cell. There are two types of ER, each with a crucial role to play. The rough ER and the smooth ER work together to maintain cellular operations. The rough ER is studded with ribosomes, which are like tiny construction crews that build proteins. These proteins are essential for various cellular functions and structures. Think of the rough ER as construction zones along the highway, where proteins are assembled. These construction zones are vital for the cell's growth and repair. The smooth ER, on the other hand, is like a detoxification center, breaking down harmful substances and keeping the cell healthy. It also plays a role in lipid synthesis and calcium storage. It's all about keeping things moving and safe in Cell City. The ER ensures that the cell operates efficiently, much like a well-organized city with a robust transportation network. Section 5. The post office, Golgi apparatus, sorts and packages. Once the proteins are built, they need to be sorted, packaged, and shipped to their final destinations. That's where the Golgi apparatus comes in, acting like Cell City's efficient post office. This organelle has a unique stacked structure resembling a series of flattened sacs. Just like mail carriers sort and deliver letters and packages, the Golgi apparatus processes, modifies, and packages proteins. It labels them with special tags, like addresses, to ensure they reach the right locations within the cell or even outside of it. Talk about an organized system. Section 6. Waste not, want not lysosomes keep it clean. Every city produces waste and Cell City is no exception. Luckily, we have lysosomes. These guys are the sanitation workers of Cell City, responsible for breaking down and recycling waste materials. Think of them as the city's efficient recycling and waste disposal centers. Lysosomes contain powerful enzymes that can break down worn-out cell parts, debris, and even harmful invaders like bacteria. By breaking down waste, lysosomes help keep cell city clean, tidy, and free from clutter. They play a crucial role in maintaining the cell's overall health and well-being. Section 7. Solar-powered chloroplasts in plant cells. Now let's step outside cell city for a moment and into the world of plants. Plant cells have a special organelle that animal cells lack: chloroplasts. These green machines are like solar power plants, capturing energy from sunlight and converting it into chemical energy through photosynthesis. This process is what allows plants to make their own food, using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. It's like magic, but it's actually science. Chloroplasts are essential for life on Earth, as they provide the oxygen we breathe and the food we eat. Section 8. Border control, the cell membrane's gatekeeping role. Every city needs a secure border, and Cell City is no exception. The cell membrane acts as the city's protective barrier, controlling what enters and exits the cell. It's like a gatekeeper, carefully monitoring the flow of molecules and information in and out. The cell membrane is selectively permeable, meaning it allows some substances to pass through while blocking others. This selectivity ensures that the cell receives the nutrients it needs while keeping harmful substances out. It's all about maintaining a healthy balance within Cell City. Section 9. A city that works how organelles keep us going. Imagine a bustling city, where every part has a specific role to play. This is exactly how a cell operates, with each organelle performing a unique function to keep the cell alive and thriving. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Cell City. Just like a city, a cell is a complex and dynamic place full of activity and purpose. We've met the mayor, Nucleus, the power plants, Mitochondria, the transportation system, ER, each playing a crucial role in the cell's daily operations. The post office, Golgi apparatus, the sanitation workers, Lysosomes, ensuring that everything is delivered and waste is properly managed. And even the solar panels, chloroplasts, in plant cells, capturing sunlight to produce energy through photosynthesis. And let's not forget the city's protective border, the cell membrane. It regulates what enters and exits, maintaining the cell's internal environment. Just like a real city thrives when all its parts work together, a cell's efficiency depends on the harmonious interaction of its organelles. A cell relies on the coordinated efforts of its organelles to function properly. Each organelle communicates and collaborates with others, ensuring the cell's survival and efficiency. Each organelle has a unique and essential role to play in keeping the cell alive and kicking. From energy production to waste management, every function is vital. Understanding how cells work is like unlocking the secrets of life itself. It reveals the intricate mechanisms that sustain life and allow organisms to grow, reproduce, and adapt. By studying cells, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and beauty of the natural world and our place within it. Cells are the building blocks of life, and their study opens up endless possibilities for scientific discovery. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep the spirit of scientific discovery alive. The more we learn about cells, the more we understand about life itself. Every discovery brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of biology and the universe.